Greetings everyone. This demo presents the features of the first application I developed in Python, a product tracking system. I designed this apps for product tracking and storing images of my favorite collections like luxury cars, watches, shoes, perfumes and anything that I can think about. With a little modification to suit to actual project demands or market conditions, we can use it to track project status showing graphs of positive and negative progress variances and revenues. This apps features an auto-generated QR code for each product, a SQLite database, a Matplotlib chart and a systematic file naming system to facilitate easy retrieval. This application is targeted for marketing, selling new products or auction items, advertising in auto-translated multi-language voice, product tracking and inventories. The subtitle and multilingual audio introduction used in this demo is actually a product created from the second application I developed also in Python, a text-to-multi-language speech converter with an auto VTTSRT subtitle file generator. An updated demo of the text-to-multi-language speech converter apps shall be launched separately to showcase its features and capabilities. The features of this apps as well as those of the text-to-multi-language speech converter are currently on beta testing. Enhancements shall be continuously implemented to address user and system requirements. Suggestions and comments shall therefore be highly appreciated. The sample images in this apps with its prices and specifications were randomly entered to test its features and does not necessarily represent the actual product information. Next sessions will discuss the various Python code components and methods used to design and develop this application. Initial list are as follows. Number 1. Text animation in 2 different colors. Number 2. Create scroll bar inside text box. Number 3. Scroll bar in frame with text box. Number 4. Create charts in Matplotlib and Panda. Number 5. Create digital clock with set location. Number 6. Generate QR code with a logo. Number 7. GUI in tkinter and a SQLite. Number 8. GUI in custom tkinter and a SQLite. Number 9. Create a SQLite database and table. Number 10. Add data into a SQLite database. Number 11. Update data of a SQLite database. Number 12. Delete data from a SQLite database. Number 13. Extract data from a SQLite database. Number 14. Create a tree view and add data. Number 15. Upload, resize, and display an image. Watch for the introduction of the second application I developed in Python, a text-to-multilingual speech with voice translator and web SRT subtitle file generator. Many more applied codes in Python, C#, MS Access VBA, MS Excel Macro and VBA to come. Requests for free sample 100 MP3 or MP4 audio in English, Chinese, Japanese, Korean or French with subtitle in English only, may be accommodated. Please send requests through email 3k.trader@gmail.com. Kindly print texts or messages, 150 words maximum, directly on email. No attachments, please. Please stay tuned and click like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.